Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. It is currently formal slash homecoming season for a lot of people, so I thought I would film a formal get ready with me. I'm going to do my own hair and my own makeup and show you guys the complete look. Let's get straight into it. So I just had a shower, and also that red thing on my bed that's my dress. So I had a shower, so I'm in my robe right now. The first thing I'm going to do is my hair. I always like to do my hair before my makeup because I just find that it works better. I very rarely put heat on my hair. I'm just gonna straighten it. It's a lot easier using my GHD. You should never apply heat on your hair without using a heat protectant. So I'm using this Heritage heat protectant. I always like to do the right side first and everywhere. Some in the tops. Before you put the heat protectant in, actually you should part your hair in the middle. So I'm just getting a bobby pin and I'm going to part my hair. Okay, all done. Now I'm putting some in the other side. And we're ready to rock and roll.
We'll always have Paris. We didn't have, we lost it until you came to Casablanca. We got it back last night.
And I said I would never leave you.
Oh, okay, one side done. Time to do the other side. And hair is complete. Oh, didn't see you there. Now, I am super hot and a bit clammy from the heat from the GHD. I'm going to get changed in my dress now, even before my makeup. Also because if I'm changed in my dress, it'll help me see what colors would go for makeup. So yeah. If I lean forward, I look naked, but joke's on you. So this dress is from the designer Elzaytoon. She's Australian and she pretty much specializes in like fancy formal dresses. So now it's time for makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go quickly splash my face with some water because I like to apply makeup to clean skin without the grime, and then I'll meet you guys back here. Okay, so I've just put a headband in my hair. So I look naked now. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave the camera angled here so you guys can kind of like see what I'm doing, and then I can look in the mirror. It's gonna have how it's gonna have to work. So first things first, I'm going to be applying some lip balm because I want my lips to be nice and moisturized before I put my product on. I love my natural colors. Face generally, I don't know, I feel like I actually kind of look a bit nicer when I'm not even wearing makeup. So I just really want to put minimal product on, and that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to go for a bit of a bronzy look. So to start off, I'm using this BWS BYS primer. I think I just got it from like Target or one of those places because, you know. Then I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Because homecoming and formal, you know, normally you get ready really early in the afternoon and then you take photos, and then the formal won't finish until like night. So, you know, you need to make sure that your makeup is going to last. Now I'm just going to put like a BB cream on instead of foundation. I'm using this Ulta 3 sort of dark color, and then I'm just gonna get a brush and sort of put it on my face. It's like a bit of a moisturizer. It's a color corrector cream, and whoa, that looks so weird, but I promise you it blends out. Okay, do we like this? Why do I always make this face? I've said this before in my previous videos. Okay. Now I'm just gonna grab a beauty blender and make it nice and smooth. It's time for concealer. I'm going to grab this e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. I think I I think I just bought this from again like Kmart or something, really cheap. Then I'm just gonna pop that on my under eyes in some spots where we want to just brighten it.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'll be like candy to the touch.
I'm trying to make this get ready with me / tutorial really easy and really natural, but I actually think it's really nice if you just kind of tone it down a bit and go for a more natural look. That's just really easy to do, and if you can't afford really expensive types of makeup products, like you just need the basics and you'll be able to do this. So now it's time to do eyes. So I'm using this BWS eyeshadow primer, and if you don't have this, if you don't have an eyeshadow primer, you can totally just use concealer. Just gonna put a bit of that on my eyes, just so it gives the eyeshadow a bit more pigment, you know. We're gonna do eyebrows, just so they're out of the way. So what I like to do when I go to the makeup shops like Mecca Maxer and Sephora and all them, they have like these little spoolies in like their tester area. I don't know, it's not really stealing because they're not selling it, but I just take a whole bunch of them. Just these spoolie brushes, if you don't just use a normal spoolie brush. And I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up. I really like to make my brows look thick and fluffy. I have not gotten my eyebrows done in almost 2 years. The last time I got them done was January of 2018, which was a really long time ago. I'm not planning on waxing them anytime soon. I just like pluck in the middle here. So then I'm going to use this eyebrow primer from Benefit. It is the Brow Conditioning Primer. Make sure that the eyebrows stay. So you can fill out your brows as much as you want, depending on how defined you want them to be. I just want to fill in a few gaps. I don't want it to look too defined. I want it to look nice and fluffy. We like the messy look. Now again, it's like looking a bit sharp, so I'm just going to brush it out because I did some sharp lines. Now I'm going to go in with a this Benefit Ready Set Brow Gel. It's just clear and it's honestly my lifesaver. Like that, it just keeps my brows in place and stops them from going woo all over the place, because my eyebrows often do that. They like to go crazy, especially because I have like curly bits on the ends. I don't know, it's weird. I have like curly eyebrow hairs. Thanks Dad for the Arab jeans. Okay, now it's finally time for eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna use this Smashbox palette, the whoa, look at that hologram, full exposure Smashbox palette. It has like a lot of natural colors and I can really pull off a bronze look with those. Now I love doing like the sticky tape thing, so I'm just gonna get some sticky tape, take the sticky on my hands so it doesn't rip off my makeup. Now I'm just going to put it over here. Yeah. And again, just popping it over there. Okay. I'm going to go in with this pale brown color just to put all over as a base color. This couldn't happen again. Now I'm going to go in with this color in my crease, like the next shade darker. Add a bit of definition to it. Okay, so there you can see a bit more definition in the eye. Well, that looks kind of cool and I'm here for it. Now I think I'm gonna go in with that really dark brown. I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit on this brush and put that on the bottom corner of my eye, just there. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with how that's looking. Yeah. I think I'll just go back in with like a lighter color on the top of the crease. I don't know if that looks retarded or not. I think like this bronzy color here, that'll look really nice. This couldn't happen again. I'm gonna go in with this light shade here and just pop that on my brow bone to highlight it. pencil eyeliner. I'm just gonna put some on the bottom. I really get scared of putting eyeliner on the top of my lid, so we'll do that. What? Ah! This is not okay. It's okay, they have the blendy brush. Please save me. Guys, I apologize for that malfunction. I just took the tape off. I managed to clean it up a bit, and now I'm just going to go over with some concealer in that area. Okay, cool. So these are the eyes. I know. Oh my god, why does that one look so bad in the light? Now it's time for contour. I'm using this Australis contour palette. It's really ruined right now. Brush it onto my face. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend that in. Now it's time to highlight. Just gonna get my fan brush. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette. I think I'm gonna go with this Glow Getter shade.
I just need you to stay here with me in the cold night to heal me.
Now it's time to blend everything out. Now it's time for mascara. I'm going to be using this Chanel mascara.
I just need your presence. I just need you to hug me with your deep voice around my ears to hold.
Okay, now it's time for the lip product. I think I'm going to wear this nude sort of Anastasia Beverly Hills color. I'm just going to line it with Soar by MAC Lip Liner.
When an angel starts to build, I need your.
Now I'm going to put the lipstick on. Again, I'm just going to clean it up with a bit of concealer.
When the evening comes, a melody of.
Now I'm going to put this Victoria's Secret hair lotion, high shine serum in my hair, just to make it shine. And this also helps reduce frizz. I really like it. Now I'm going to spritz some Victoria's Secret perfume all over. I want to smell good. That is the finished makeup look, guys. Guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching my formal get ready with me. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.